face with a tissue paper. It's not a tissue, it's like a wet wipe. So wiping all the extra dirt off my face. Throw it in the dustbin. Is this from Clinique. It is a moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer because it's water based, and using water based moisturizer is a priority. Smashbox, and it's photo finish. I love this primer for my skin because it's so smooth and it gives a blurry effect. Because I have so many dark places on my skin, so to hide them, I have to use the orange corrector. Okay, that's how I cover my face. And from MAC, okay, that's how I cover my face. I use Derma Color from Krylon. I use this foundation from Huda Beauty, and it's in the shade Brown Sugar, and I Forever, and it's in the color 8B01.
So I'm gonna blend out all the base on my face, and so after that I'm gonna be using a concealer from Maybelline, and I'm gonna conceal under my eyes and in a lifted way, because my face is round and I want to show it lifted so that it comes in oval shape. So this is how you conceal on a round face, so as to make it look in a lifted way. So after blending it out, you'll see the difference yourself, and I'm gonna show you that. Just wait for 2 minutes. So as you can see, my right side is looking more lifted than the left one. The one where I have blended it all, and that is looking really lifted. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Blending it all in a very fast motion, and that's how it is lifted now. And then I'm gonna put a powder on it, so as to make it fixed at its place and does not let it go anywhere. तो पाउडर फिक्सिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने कंसीलर या बेस को विदाउट पाउडर फिक्सिंग करोगे तो वो थोड़ी देर बाद ड्राई आउट होके पैची हो जाएगा, वरना वो निकल जाएगा अगर स्वेट हो रहा है तो उस पर लाइंस पड़ सकते हैं। तो पाउडर फिक्सिंग इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट और उसको सही से करना आना चाहिए। तो मैं यहाँ पे 2 बार को पाउडर लगा रही हूँ। आपकी स्किन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, वेदर के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस कंसिस्टेंसी से और किस तरीके से पाउडर लगाओ अपने फेस पे, बट लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। So I'm looking like a ghost right now. Well, no worries. So फैशन नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो उसके बाद मैं एक्स्ट्रा पाउडर को थोड़ा बफ आउट कर दूंगी विद माय बफिंग ब्रश. And then I'm gonna use this blush from Tarte, and it's for darker skin tones, medium to dark. And there are 3 types of shade in this one, so I'm using the darker one right now. And I'm gonna put the blusher also in a lifted way. उसको मैं थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ से ले जाऊंगी, अपने cheeks के एप्पल के ऊपर नहीं लगाऊंगी, बिकॉज उसको लगाने से मेरा फेस और ज़्यादा फुलर लगेगा. जिनका चेहरा थोड़ा पतला है वो अपने चीक्स के एप्पल पे लगाएं तो उससे अच्छा रहेगा, उनका चेहरा थोड़ा भरा हुआ दिखेगा. बट मेरा ऑलरेडी भरा हुआ है तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा लिफ्टेड वे में लगाना इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो उसके बाद आई एम कंटोरिंग माई फेस. आई एक्चुअली कंटोर्ड इट बिफोर, इट वॉज क्रीम कंटोर, आई एम जस्ट डिटेलिंग इट. So I have done the eyebrows off camera because it was a really tough task for me and I didn't had a mirror in front of me. Then I'm using this palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm using the 2 shades for blending the lightest shade over my eyes. That's this pink and the other one on its side. And I'm gonna start blending out, making a lighter crease on my eyes with the pink shades. Blending it all. Then I'm gonna take another brush and create a darker crease. So I'm gonna use the color Choco from the palette, and it's brown, and make a darker crease. So when I open my eyes look bigger. That's the reason I'm making a darker crease. Making a darker crease is very important क्योंकि वो आपकी आँख को बड़ा दिखाता है. अगर आप पूरा आई पे लाइट शेड लगा दोगे तो आपकी आई की डिटेलिंग नहीं हो पाती है, इसलिए एक डार्क क्रीज बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो इसी वजह से मैं उसमें एक डार्क क्रीज बना रही हूँ. उसके बाद आई एम यूजिंग दिस रेड शेड एंड आई पुट इट ऑन द आई बॉल. So after I'm done on the both eyes, I'm going to use this eyeliner from Sugar, and it's a liquid eyeliner, and I love it because when you put it, it dries in like seconds, so that there is no thing for like you have to wait to open your eyes. There is nothing like that. When you put it, it just dries off, and I like that about it. And I'm gonna do after this I'm gonna do a little bit of glitter liner over the eyeliner I'm putting in black. So because as to make this look a little glamish, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do my lipstick off camera. This is my final look. Voila! I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I'm so sorry if I have left any detailings off the camera because I don't really have a good memory card, so I'm so sorry about that one. But if you have any queries, please feel free to contact me on Instagram. Hope you like it. Bye! Thanks for watching.